Located in Newburyport, Massachusetts, Rochester Electronics offers a range of manufacturing services, including component lead finishing. One key motivation for tin lead finishing on semiconductor components is to prevent the growth of tin whiskers, which can grow on the surface of component leads. These whiskers can cause electrical shorts and damage the equipment that incorporates these components. Rochester offers solder dipping for hermetic packages. Using robotic handlers, each component is carefully dipped into a solder solution of tin lead. We can also facilitate conversion from RoHS finished products. Once the dipping process is complete, the next important stage is component cleaning. Our facilities use the latest equipment to ensure that all finished components meet stringent quality requirements. Rochester incorporates state-of-the-art equipment to monitor quality control. The thickness of solder is carefully measured to ensure uniformity across the pins of each component. Ionograph testing is available to ensure high product reliability. Another service that Rochester provides is lead plating. This process is performed by dipping racks of lead frames, which form the basis of component plastic packages, into baths of tin lead solution. We offer both tin lead and matte tin plating options, and again, RoHS to tin lead conversions can be performed in our U.S.-based facilities. Rochester Electronics is leading the way with environmentally responsible manufacturing. Our facilities include zero discharge wastewater treatment. We offer a range of additional services, including component lead forming and trimming. Lead frame-based semiconductor packages still play an important role in today's semiconductor industry, and Rochester continues to support a range of options to help minimize component obsolescence. Additionally, Rochester also provides laser marking, a service where components are marked with permanent, easily readable laser markings. This helps to guarantee accurate identification and traceability. Rochester Electronics has received a letter of conformance confirming its quality management system complies with the requirements of the standard IATF 16949 for the automotive industry. Rochester Electronics, extending semiconductor product life cycles with component lead finishing services.